Here are my new Ohana Ridge Supply tables. Nick, thank you for hooking it up. Pretty simple. Closes by pressing this latch here. And I'll just use my knee, pop that up. He hooked me up with a little bungee, kind of helps quite a bit. And then you have the tool side, works the same way. You have your latch here to close the table, but your tool set is actually still behind that, which is really nice. Note when you are installing the male bolts to the large table, you will have to remove this panel here. As you can see, I've actually removed the panel here. So, and then you have to adjust these accordingly to make sure that they're actually flush. So, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thanks for watching.